Do you want time freedom in your life so you can live the exciting life you really want instead of going to that 9 to 5 rat race job, working 70 hours a week? Do you want to spend time having fun with the people you love and care for? Do you want the time freedom to do the exciting things you dream about? If this is how you feel, then I can show you ways on how to have the time freedom by creating your own passive income by building an online business. If you are one who cannot relate to an online business, then skip ahead. This is not for you. I don't want to waste your time. You're still here? Great. If you're interested to learn ways to retire with a passive income for the time freedom you want, click the Life Change button somewhere around this video and I will send you workshop videos at no cost to you. The choice is yours to receive the videos or not. I like you because you're one of the millions of brave people throughout the world that are changing their lives to have the time freedom to do the things you really enjoy. How would your life be if you don't have to travel in the morning in peak hour traffic or on the crowded public transport? No stress from pressures of an unappreciative boss or the clients who don't realize the pressures you're under. Your automated online business, once set up, will provide you with income coming into your bank account 24 hours a day, every day, while you're doing the things you love. Have you ever been working and seen people who are enjoying themselves with the time and freedom they have and think you're wasting your life? I have been working at resorts and watching people swimming, relaxing next to the pool and relaxing with their family and friends, and I was thinking, I'm wasting my life. I should be one of those people. To start your passive income for retirement, all you need is a laptop, a few skills, a system to follow, and some determination. There's no age limit. You don't need extensive computer skills. All you need is to follow some easy step-by-step instructions. The workshop videos will give you ideas on what product to sell or service you can provide. Maybe you already have some ideas. Watch the videos. You will at least learn something, or maybe not if you already know what you want to do. Then you can decide if this is for you. It's not for everyone. At least take a look. Spend 20 minutes of your time to watch the workshop videos because I believe it is great information. Spend a little of your time watching the videos instead of watching the next episode of the show you've seen before or some unbelievable movie. With your time freedom, maybe you want to travel, or master your favorite sport, or see what you can create with your favorite hobby. You can spend your time however you want, including just relaxing. If you can relate to this, and all you need to do is click the Life Change button, and I'll send you the workshop videos at no cost to you that got me started. You have nothing to lose. The workshop videos will introduce you to Stuart, the owner and amazing mentor, who will provide you with the information you're looking for. Stuart has multiple 7-figure online businesses. Join our friendly community of people who are just starting on their journey and people who are already earning their 6- and 7-figure incomes by being monitored by successful entrepreneurs. Earning money is a great tool. It is the tool to enjoy your life with the time freedom and financial security that you want for an exciting life. Choose to click the Life Change button because the workshop videos will inform you how to obtain your exciting retirement with the time freedom you want and financial security. Click the button because time is passing us by so fast. Be the person who realizes that you've taken the steps to improve your life. Click the button because you can retire now and not wonder in the future why you're still living the mundane life of the 9 to 5 rat race job. Do yourself a favor. Click the button